In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about saving or printing a presentation as a PDF file format in the Microsoft PowerPoint application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is tap the Control and P key combinations on your keyboard, or select the File tab at the top left and then go down and select Print. And then underneath Printer, click the drop down and select Microsoft Print to PDF. Then select Print, and then you can select where you want to save that file on your computer. You can input the file name right here, what you want to save it as, and then you would select Save. And again, make sure Save as type should be PDF in here. You would select Save, and then that's pretty much all you'd have to do. So let's just say we went ahead and saved it right here, and we opened up the PDF on our desktop. It should appear if you have whatever your default PDF reader is. We're just going to open it up in Microsoft Edge. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.